Hi, today we are going to deploy desktop background wallpaper by using GPO, and that can be done with user configuration rather than computer configuration. And before starting, first you need to create a file share folder and keep that background image inside the file share folder and make sure that folder is accessed by all the users. And after that you need to create a GPO, and then you need to do desktop wallpaper configuration inside a user configuration. So let's start it. First you need to download an image, which I already have downloaded, and you need to go to any local disk, C or D. If you have a D, you can go to D or E, but it's all similar. So I'm going to create a folder in my local disk C and name it as a desktop background. Now you need to download image, but I have already downloaded it. So what I'm gonna do is copy this image, or you can cut it, or you can just drag it. It's up to you. I'm gonna copy this image and paste it inside my share folder, which is desktop background, like that. And so once you've done that, you can go to your share folder, right click on that and click on properties, and then click sharing, and then go to advanced sharing, and from here you can check in share this folder and then click on permission. So by default you will get to know that your shareable folder can be accessed, can be read. You can see it's read, can be read or accessed by everyone, but I don't want everybody to access this desktop background, so I'm going to change it. I'm going to remove it. Click add and then type authenticated users, check it, and then okay. And now from here I'm gonna give read only permission and then apply it. Okay, apply. Now you can see the network path here, which is ICT 01 and desktop background. I'm gonna close it now. You can close it. And now I'm going to log out from this domain administrator and then log in as a user. /jail. I'm going to log in as a jail. Now I am here as a jail, and click on File Explorer, go to network path, and you can type the exact network path here, which was ICT DC-01/ and enter. So now you can see desktop background over here, and you can access the background as well. You can double click on that, and this is my background, which I am going to deploy by using a GPO. So now log out from Gil workstation and log into the domain controller. So I'm gonna log out from Gil and log into the domain controller. Okay, once you log into your domain controller, you can go to tools and then go to group policy management. Once group policy management is open, you can right click on your ictlab.com domain and create a new GPO, and I'm gonna name it desktop background and click OK. Now you can see our desktop background GPO has been created. And one thing, it's better to create a separate GPO group policy. Either you are going to deploy a desktop background, or you are going to do any password policy setting, or you are going to deploy a software. Then it's a good idea to create a separate GPO. It will help you to troubleshoot and make any changes in that particular GPO. And once you create desktop background GPO, you can right click on that and click edit, and go to user configuration, and go to policies, and go to administrative template policy, explore that, and go to desktop, and again desktop. And you can see from here, you can see desktop wallpaper. Go there and click enable, and here you need to give your path, wallpaper path. And for that, you can go back to your file explorer, go to local disk C, and then desktop background, where you store your background image. Go to properties, and go to sharing, and copy network path. You can copy network path here, and then go back to your policy, group policy management, and then paste your background image path, backslash, and then again go back to your desktop shareable folder, and then right click on that, go to properties, and from here you can copy your image name, and you can find your extension for that image, which is the JPG. So now I'm going to close it and go to my desktop wallpaper setting, background JPG, and I'm gonna apply it now and click OK. But before doing that, I'm gonna copy this path, and click Windows, and then Internet Explorer, and I'm gonna copy that path here, so which means it can be accessible by other client as well. And the group policy has been perfectly applied, the setting has been applied. So now you can click on OK. Now I'm going to close it and go to my CMD, and then type group policy update gp update /force. Group policy is updating now. Computer policy update has completed successfully. Now you can run gp result /r. From here you can see applied group policy is a desktop background, and user setting is a CN administrator users, and its domain name is ICT lab, and type of domain type. Now what I do, I am going to close all this and log out from my administrator domain computer and log in as a user, log in as a Jill workstation again, ICT lab /Jill, and then her password. And now let's go to desktop. Now you can see the desktop background has been applied to the workstation, Jill's workstation as well. In that way you can go to others user, log in as others user, and see if background image has been applied or not. So that's it. Thanks for watching.